Okay, hi. So first off, this is the adapter, this little part right here. Actually, we have a fancy faucet because it has like a spray thing. So I had to get basically other adapters to make this one fit on here. But yours probably are fine. This is the most common adapter. So this part screws off. I'm not sure if I can. Yeah, there. So this just comes right off. And almost all sinks have like a little filter here that you can screw off. So you can kind of check that out. But so then this just hooks into here to make sure that it's actually hooked in. And then I always run hot water through my sink. Okay. And I put some soap in here already. And I unfortunately just did dishes, so I don't have that many, but these are a little bit dirty. Got a bowl from breakfast and some mugs. So I'll go ahead and do this. Alright, so we hit power. This is the standard here. If you program, you can go through the different options. Like this is for heavy cleaning. Why don't we use that one just so you know how well it does. And then you just hit start. And then you wait. It's just filling with water. Okay, it is 4:54, so I'm going to let this run for a while, and then this will still be on, and this will be on, so when we're done. But I don't think I can record for the hour and a half it takes to do this. Okay.